In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a waitlist page for your online course using Flodesk. Whether you're launching a new course or simply want to gauge interest before going live, setting up a waitlist can be an invaluable tool. Let's start by getting you signed in and ready to go. First, head over to www.flodesk.com and log into your account. If you're not already a member, you'll need to sign up, but assuming you have your account set up, just use your credentials to access your dashboard and get underway. Once you're in, you'll want to create a landing page. To do this, navigate to the Forms section on the Flodesk dashboard. You'll see an option to create new. Click that and then select landing page when prompted. This is where the magic happens. You'll be presented with a variety of templates to choose from. If this is your first time, exploring these templates might be a good idea. They come with preset designs and layouts that are visually appealing and easy to adapt. If you prefer to give it your own unique touch, you can start from scratch. Either way, pick an option that represents the vibe and branding of your course effectively. Now onto the customization phase. Begin by crafting a compelling headline. A catchy title like "Join the Waitlist for Course Name" can really grab attention and encourage sign-ups. Once you've got a headline that works, add some essential form fields. At the very basic level, you'll want to collect names and email addresses. This information is invaluable for reaching out when your course is ready to launch. Your next step is to configure a clear call to action button, something that leaves no doubt about what the visitor should do next. A simple "sign up now" often does the trick, drawing attention and prompting action. With the basic framework in place, it's time to design your page. Incorporate your own branding to make it consistent with your other online materials. Use colors, logos, and images that reflect your course's theme. Flodesk provides a user-friendly interface that makes this process straightforward. The key here is balance. Make it visually appealing, yet maintain simplicity to not distract from the sign-up process. After your design is polished and ready, it's advisable to preview your creation. Take this opportunity to make any last-minute tweaks you might see necessary. Once you're satisfied, it's time to get the word out. Share the link to your waitlist page on social media, embed it on your website, or distribute it via email. These platforms can help drive traffic to your page, building interest and establishing a list of eager learners before your course officially launches. And there you have it, you've successfully created a waitlist page for your online course using Flodesk. This setup will not only help in organizing potential students, but also in marking an exciting pre-launch phase for your course. Happy launching!